Umphathiswa wamapolisa mnumzana Bheki Cele uqinisekise abemi ukuba bazakukhuseleka ngeziholide njengoko amapolisa azakuphuma ngobuninzi kuzo zonke iingingqi zeli.
During this time of the year, the safety of the road users, including pedestrians, becomes our biggest concern. Road traffic officers and other members of the law enforcement agencies will be out in full force to ensure compliance with the law and also facilitate the smooth flow of traffic on our roads.
Ngoku kukho inxalabo yokuba kungaphinda kwehla iziganeko zangoJulayi emva kwesigqibo senkundla ephakamileyo yase-Pitoli nesigunyazise owayesakuba ngumongameli weli mnumzana Jacob Zuma ukuba ibuyele entolongweni. Kodwa mnumzana Bheki Cele uthi bazakwazi ukuqhubisana nantoni na ngehla njengoko befunde lukhulu kwizixholo-xholo zangoJulayi nebezikhatshwa ludushe.
The members of the South African police, including all the law enforcement agencies in the country, have learned their lessons last July, and the experiences gained from there will be used and utilized to make sure that South Africa remains safe, stable and calm, and all people in South Africa protected together with their properties.
Umphathiswa wokhuselo unkosikazi Modise uthi bazakusabela xa bebizwa.
We have been in discussion since with the Minister of Police, and Defence has agreed to take over just the toll roads and the toll gates specifically. And that decision was taken because we cannot afford a situation as a country where trucks block very strategic economic routes which not only affect South Africa but affect the whole of SADC.
Kwelinye icala umphathiswa wezobulungisa mnumzana Lamula umela bemibili ukuba bahlise izibilini.
Our side, we call for calm and refrain from all South Africans after the court judgment with regards to the former president. It is important that we allow the due processes of the law to take its course. The parties themselves are engaging on the matter in the court processes. So inflammatory statements and unwarranted attack on the judiciary will not help the process.
Kusenjalo bemibili bayabongozwa kuba nabo benoxanduva lokuzikhusela nokuthobela imithetho yeli ngeli xesha leziyunguma.